right, guys, this is page 15. We're going to talk about understanding light. So electromagnetic waves can be organized, classified using the electromagnetic spectrum. That's what we talked about today in class. Waves, they're classified in order of increasing frequency, meaning how many waves come per second, and then shortening wavelength. Because if there's more waves, the wavelength between them are going to be shorter instead of longer. Easy way to know the classification. This is the picture in your book. You have radio waves all the way to gamma rays. You have low frequency. See how the wavelengths are farther apart down to where the wavelengths are closer together. So high frequency, lots of waves. Notice that visible light is only a small part of the spectrum. Yes, it's popping it out and showing you the whole colors. It's just showing you that. It's not saying it's the same length or the same, long. Okay. Red has a longer wavelength because it's on this side, right here. And then ultraviolet is over here. Notice violet is by the ultraviolet. Visible light is the only part of the spectrum that can be seen by the human eye. We perceive this as color. It's why colors can look different to different people, because it's the perception of color. Each wavelength corresponds to a specific frequency and has a specific color. So different wavelengths, they change wavelengths as they to change color. The order of the colors from longest to shortest is red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet. The way we remember that is the acronym Roy G. Biv. White light is a blend of all the colors together. So the light behind me, okay, just in the normal classroom, the light from your phone, that is all of the colors coming at you at once. Prisms, okay, little glass things, the peephole on the door, is what bends the light to show you all the colors of the rainbow. So white light is everything. Prisms bend it because they bend at because they have different wavelengths. They bend at different speeds, and that's how you see all of the colors. So there's different types of behavior light. How does it act? The type of matter in an object determines the amount of light it reflects, absorbs, or transmits. Reflects, bounces back, absorbs, takes in completely, transmits, allows to go through. So transparent. Transparent materials allow light to pass through. They're see-through. That's glass. I can look out the glass. I can see the trees. I can see the cars going by. Clear, easy to see. It's a glass window. Translucent, they scatter the light. So the light comes in, but you can't see through it clearly. That's like when there's frost on the window. It's that's when there's if you ever had those like showers and they have the glass doors where you can kind of see light gets in for you, and then that's another translucent material. Light is getting in, but there's not a clear picture of what you are seeing. And lastly, opaque material. Opaque is you can't see through it. It's like a mirror. It reflects and bounces back, or like a wooden door where the light doesn't come through that door at all. All right, that'll be our next video. Have a good night.